Ever wondered if there's a delicious way to shed those extra pounds? Imagine waking up each morning looking forward to a tasty green smoothie that not only energizes you but also helps you lose weight. Well, you're in luck because today, I'm sharing 5 green smoothie recipes for weight loss that are not just nutritious but incredibly easy to make. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for our free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting. It will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! Recipe 1. Spinach and Pineapple Power Smoothie. Let's kick things off with our first recipe, the Spinach and Pineapple Power Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup pineapple chunks, frozen or fresh, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Steps: prepare the ingredients. Wash the spinach thoroughly. If using fresh pineapple, peel and chop it into chunks. Blend. Add all ingredients into a blender. Start with the spinach and almond milk to ensure a smooth blend. Blend until you reach a creamy consistency. If the mixture is too thick, add a bit more almond milk. Serve and enjoy. Pour into a glass and enjoy your nutritious smoothie. This smoothie is a great way to start your day. Spinach is low in calories but high in fiber, which keeps you full longer. Pineapple adds a sweet tang and is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and helps reduce inflammation. Recipe 2. Kale and Green Apple Detox Smoothie. Next up, we have the Kale and Green Apple Detox Smoothie. Perfect for a midday cleanse. Ingredients: 1 cup kale leaves, stems removed, 1 green apple, cored and chopped, 1 celery stalk, 1/2 cucumber, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup water. Steps: prep your veggies. Wash and chop the kale, apple, celery, and cucumber. Blend. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Add water gradually to reach desired consistency. Blend until smooth and no chunks remain. Enjoy immediately. Pour into a glass and enjoy a refreshing detox. Kale is a superfood packed with vitamins A, C, and K, which support overall health and weight loss. The green apple adds a tart flavor and extra fiber, which helps keep you feeling full. Recipe 3. Avocado and Mint Metabolism Booster Smoothie. Our third recipe is the Avocado and Mint Metabolism Booster Smoothie. Perfect for revving up your metabolism. Ingredients: 1/2 avocado, 1 handful of fresh mint leaves, 1/2 banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Steps: prepare ingredients. Peel and pit the avocado. Peel the banana. Blend. Add avocado, mint leaves, banana, almond milk, and flax seeds to the blender. Blend until you achieve a creamy, smooth texture. Serve. Pour into a glass and enjoy the creamy goodness. Avocado is rich in healthy fats that keep you satiated, while mint can help with digestion and freshen your breath. Flax seeds add a dose of omega-3 fatty acids, known to boost metabolism. Recipe 4. Ginger and Pear Fat-Burning Smoothie. Fourth on our list is the Ginger and Pear Fat-Burning Smoothie. This one's a zesty treat. Ingredients: 1 ripe pear, cored and chopped, 1/2 inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled and grated, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup water. Steps: prepare ingredients. Wash and chop the pear. Peel and grate the ginger. Blend. Add all ingredients into the blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Serve. Pour into a glass and relish this spicy sweet delight. Ginger has thermogenic properties, meaning it can help increase your calorie burn. Pears add sweetness and are rich in fiber, aiding in weight loss. Recipe 5. Cucumber and Basil Refreshing Smoothie. Finally, we have the Cucumber and Basil Refreshing Smoothie. Perfect for a post-workout drink. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, peeled and chopped, 1/2 cup fresh basil leaves, juice of 1 lime, 1 cup coconut water, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Steps: prepare ingredients. Peel and chop the cucumber. Blend. Add cucumber, basil, lime juice, coconut water, and honey to the blender. Blend until smooth and all ingredients are well combined. Serve. Pour into a glass and enjoy the refreshing taste. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them excellent for weight loss. Basil adds a unique flavor and has anti-inflammatory properties. And there you have it. 5 green smoothie recipes for weight loss that are easy to make and incredibly effective. Remember, the key to weight loss is consistency, so try incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine and see the difference for yourself. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember to claim your free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting in the description and pinned comment below. It will help you on your weight loss journey.